Everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel Stock Darshan. If you are new visitor, then click on bell button for all notification related to stock market and subscribe for new videos. Your one like and subscribe feel me very confident for upcoming video. If you want to gain deep knowledge in stock market, then please see the whole video without any skip. This video is full of my own stock analysis and only for knowledge purpose. So friends, today I am going to tell you about the share of Urja Global. Urja Global is an India-based company which engaged in developing and operating energy sector. Its products are Urja Solar, water heater, e-rickshaw battery, solar LED, street light, solar PV panels, inverter battery, solar lantern, etc. It is under penny stock category, but as per current market scenario and its fundamental company, future is bright. Now I am telling company, share, target and other details in the video. So guys, please see the full video without any skip. So guys, this is a short brief description about Urja Global. So you can go through this. Now friends, we'll see what is the price of share of Urja Global on 28 December 2021 and the price of share of Urja Global on 28 December 2021 was rupees 18, whereas previous day it was rupees 17.15. So within a one day there has been increased in price by rupees 0.85 and in terms of percentage it is 4.96 percentage. Now friends, we'll see the price of share of Urja Global for all time, that is on 31st March 2017, the price of share of Urja Global was just rupees 1.39, whereas now that is on 28 December 2021, the price of share of Urja Global is rupees 18. So there is tremendous increase in price by rupees 16.61 and in terms of percentage it is 1194.96 percentage. Now friends, we'll see what was the price of Urja Global for past year, that is on 29 December 2020. The price of share of Urja Global was just rupees 5.55, whereas now that is on 28 December 2021 the price of share of Urja Global is rupees 18. So there is tremendous increase in price by rupees 12.45 and in terms of percentage it is 224.32 percentage. So guys, the investor who has taken the share of Urja Global on 29 December 2020 is still in profit by rupees 12.45 and in terms of percentage it is quite a good amount of percentage, that is 224.32 percentage. Now friends, we will see the overall view of Urja Globals. The volume of the company is 4,76,367. Market cap rupees is in crore. The market cap of the company is 1002 crores. Face value is 1. Sector PE is 22.14 and the book value per share is 3.16. Now friends, we'll see what is the price performance of Urja Globals and the price performance for 1 year is 238.98 percentage, whereas the price performance for 3 year is 429.41 percentage. The next thing is what are the volume analysis of the company, and the volume analysis for today, that is on 28 December 2021 is 10 lakhs, whereas yesterday it was 2 crores. I am also invested in this stock and my return percentage is around 314 percentage. Company is small category, so risk is high, but very soon it will be present a large company. Now guys, we'll see what are the community sentiment with regards to Urja Global. And the community sentiment says that 72% in the buying in the share, whereas 14% sell and 14% hold. So majority of the percentage says that it is the best time to buy the share of Urja Globals. Now friends, we'll see what are the pivot levels of the company. Resistance 1 is 14.90, resistance 2 is 14.90 and resistance 3 is 14.90. Now we'll see what are the support levels of the company, and S1 is 14.90, S2 is 14.90 and S3 is 14.90. Guys, now we'll see what are the revenues earned by the Urja Globals. The revenue which is earned by the company in the year 2017 was 128, whereas now, that is in the year 2021, the revenue which is earned by the company is 148. So this means that the revenue of the company has been increased compared to the revenue which was earned by the company in the year 2017. Now friends, we will see what are the net profits of the company. And the net profit of the company in the year 2017 was 1, whereas the net profit of the company in the year 2021 is 1. So this means that the net profit of the company is constant. Now guys, we'll see what are the debt to equity of the Urja Globals. And the debt to equity in the year 2070 is 0, whereas in the year 2021 is also 0. So this means that the company is doing quite good. That is why the company does not bear any loans. So this shows the good sign of the company. Now friends, we'll see what are the shareholdings of Urja Globals. 31.97% of share of Urja Global is holded by promoters, whereas 68.02% of share of Urja Global is holded by public. So this means that the majority of the share of Urja Global is holded by public. Now guys, we'll see who are the peers groups of Urja Globals. And the peers groups are Adani, Power Grid Corporations, NTPC and Tata Powers. These are the peers groups of Urja Globals. Now friends, we'll see what are the share which has been traded at NSE on 28 December 2021. Quantity traded is 4,76,367. Deliver quantity gross across client level is 4,76,367. Percentage of deliver quantity to traded quantity is 100%. So this was the share which is traded at NSE on 28 December 2021. Now friends, we'll see the financial chart of Urja Globals. And the green line shows the income, whereas the blue line shows the growth in terms of percentage. So this is the financial charts of the company from the financial year 2017, financial year 2018, financial year 2019, financial year 2020 and the financial year 2021. So this is the financial chart for past 5 years. Now friends, we'll see what are the bonus summary says with regards to Urja Globals. Urja Global has not announced any bonus so far. So this means that company has not announced any bonus till now. The next topic is what are the split summary of Urja Global. Urja Global has last split the face value of its share from rupees 10 to rupees 1 in the year 2015. The share has been quoting on an ex-split basis from 16 September 2015. So this means that the company has splitted their shares only once, that is on 13 July 2015. Now friends, we'll see the Urja Global Limited price change analysis. And the price change analysis over a 5-year is 16.68, and whereas in terms of percentage it is 1263.6%. over a 10-year, it has been increased by 15.20, and in terms of percentage, it is 542.9 percentage. Now guys, we'll see what the technical says with regards to Urja Globals. And the technical says that there should be strong buy. So this means that it is the best time to buy the share of Urja Globals. But guys, before buying the share, just analyze the market, then take your own decision, because the company comes under the penny stock category. Now friends, we'll see what are the pros of the Urja Global. And company is almost debt free, which means that company does not bear any loans. Now guys, we'll see what are the cons of the company. Stock is trading at 7.47 times its book value. Though the company is reporting repeated profit, it is not paying out dividend. The company has delivered a poor sale growth of 1.33% over past 5 years. Promoter holding is low, 31.97%. Company has a low return on equity of 1.22% for last 3 years. Earning includes an other income of rupees 2.68 crores. Company has high debtor of 1015.91 days. Now friends, this is NSE plus BSE traded volume on 28 December 2021. Blue line shows the combined delivery volume, whereas the pink line shows the combined delivery volume in terms of percentage. So this is the traded volume at NSE plus BSE on 28 December 2021. So guys, you can go through this in order to gain a better knowledge about Urja Global. Now friends, this is a candle chart from June 2021 to December 2021. Friends, you can see the price of Urja Global is increasing on this graph. So guys, you can go through this candle chart in order to gain a better knowledge about Urja Global. Now friends, one of the most important thing, that is the target made by our team, that is the Stock Darshan team with regards to Urja Globals. Target in the year 2022 is rupees 19 to rupees 23. Target in the year 2025 is rupees 29 to rupees 25. Target in the year 2030 is rupees 120 to rupees 165. So guys, these are the target made by our team, that is the Stock Darshan team with regards to the Urja Global. But guys, before buying the share, just analyze the market, then take your own decisions. Almost company is debt free, and in future solar demand will be high, and company profit is maximum related to solars. That's why in future is also good, but it is under penny stock category. So invest only some amount that you can afford. So guys, before buying the share, just analyze the market, then take your own decision. And keep in mind, the company comes under penny stock category. So friends, invest only some amount that you can afford. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and I will come back with my top level stock in my next videos. Friends, एक like और share तो बनता है इतना मेहनत करने के बाद. So just like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.